Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the massive universe of Star Citizen and want to boost your FPS for a smoother experience, this guide is exactly what you need. Whether you're running it on a mid-tier system or a high-end ring, we'll go step by step through everything you can do in 2025 to get a better performance. Let's jump straight in. First, start by optimizing your in-game settings. Go to Settings, Graphics and change this. Set Display Mode to Full Screen. Set VSync to Off. Lower Volumetric Clouds to Very Low. Set Blur Motion, Chromatic Aberration and Fill Grain to Off. Drop Train Tessellation Distance to Low. These settings alone can give you an instant boost, especially in crowded zones like Area 80 or a new badge. Next, tweak your Windows settings. In Windows graphics settings, turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. Go to power settings and choose high performance. In Task Manager, right-click Star Citizen and set priority to high once it's running. Now for some game file tweaks, go to your Star Citizen folder, typically under Robots Space Industries, to Star Citizen's Day Life, and open User.cfg, or create one if missing. Add this line. This gives you FPS info in-game. You can also add this to cap FPS and avoid stuttering. Also use page file virtual memory properly. Go to Control Panel, then System, then Advanced System Settings, then Performance Settings, then Advanced. Set your vital memory manually to 1.5, your RAM for both initial and max size. If you are running an Nvidia GPU, open Nvidia Control Panel. Go to Manage 3D Settings. Set Power Management Mode to prefer maximum performance. Turn on Low Latency Mode. Set Texture Filtering Quality to High Performance. And finally, make sure your drivers are fully up to date, especially GPU drivers. Use GeForce Experience for Nvidia or Arena for AMD. And that's it. These combined tweaks should help you see smoother performance and higher FPS in Star Citizens in 2025. If this helped, hit that like and drop comment if you got any question, and subscribe for more game performance guides. Catch you in next time.